Bueno, he llegado, and doesn't seem like nobody's here. Nobody's fishing. So I don't know. It's kind of weird. And it's already 9:20. So maybe because the water's like really green, nasty looking. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to fish it. If I don't get any bites or anything in like 2 or 3 hours, I'm just gonna head home or just go to Wheeler Bay or Panview, so I don't get skunked in 2 lakes. So probably gonna go to Panview because I don't get skunked over there. But Wheeler Bay, I never catch some fish. So all right, gonna start fishing, see if I can catch something. I don't know if it counts, but look at this bad boy. First one of the day. It's feisty little fella. There we go. Look at this. My big smallmouth I ever catch. You know, everybody's catching small fish. I'm here just catching giant fish. Look at this giant fish. Look at this giant fish. Big smallmouth. Everybody catch. Fish on, baby. Oh man, it's a small one. First one of the day. A giant fish. Everybody's catching small ones. I'm here catching giants. Look at this giant fish. Well, at least I'm catching some fish. Not getting skunked. See ya, little buddy. All right, let's get fishing. See if we can find the big one. Fish on, baby. Oh man, what's this? What is this? Oh man, strong fish. It's a catfish? Ah, I don't like catfish. Come here. Come here. Oh, whew, man. Whew. See that? Oh man, that's a big catfish right there. Oh. Let me get it with this, because I don't know how to. Whew. Look at this big bug. Look at this freaking fat catfish. Holy crap. Man. See how much this bad boy weighs. Whoa. Oh, that was weird. Making some weird noises. It can't be 1 pound. Can't be. No way. It's too big for one freaking. There's no way, man. Cannot be one. There's no way. Okay, back to 0. Let's see. There we go. Three pounds. Look at this bad boy. He put a good fight.